So now we have been catering to B2B clients. Most of the famous restaurants that we visit are our customers. Everyone uses garlic. Those who are vegetarian probably they also use it. We have our own delivery network throughout Calcutta, and the delivery is absolutely free. You can replenish it whenever your pack is finished, and we won't charge for delivery. The packets are of 250 grams, 500 grams.
নমস্কার, আমি প্রবিশা চট্টোপাধ্যায়। আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত প্রবিশাস জ্ঞানে। প্রবিশাস জ্ঞানে আমি বাঙালি ইউথদেরকে এন্টারপ্রেনিউরশিপ আর বিজনেস রিলেটেড মোটিভেশন দিয়ে থাকি। তাছাড়া বিজনেস ইভেন্টে কভার করে থাকি। যেমন আজকের বিজনেস ইভেন্টে আমরা এসেছি বিইতে, বেঙ্গালস এন্টারপ্রেনিউরস ইকোসিস্টেমের। আপনারা সবাই আসুন, আমরা দেখি ভিতরে কি হচ্ছে, পিচ কতগুলো হচ্ছে, কে কে গেস্ট এসেছে এবং গেস্টরা বিজনেস সম্বন্ধে, এন্টারপ্রেনিউরশিপ সম্বন্ধে, ইনভেস্টমেন্ট সম্বন্ধে কি বলছে। আর তাছাড়া এরপর থেকে আপনারা প্রবিশাস জ্ঞান বাংলাতে ছাড়া হিন্দি আর ইংলিশও পাবেন। তাহলে আমরা কি ভিতরে চলি, আসুন।
রসুন ছাড়াতে কতজনের প্রবলেম হয়? That is the hardest part, right? So, I wholeheartedly welcome Kunal ji. Kunal ji, Bhawanipur College এর প্রফেসর ছিলেন। তো round of applause for our professor sir. একদম বলতেই feel like চলো আমি कुछ करना है। আর আজকের দিনে উনি এক বছরে 1 লাখ ছাড়ানো 1 লাখ কিলো ছাড়ানো রসুন বিক্রি করে পাহাড়। So Kunal ji B2C একটা প্রোডাক্ট লঞ্চ করেছে। What is the product? So I'm very very happy to launch this product and সবচেয়ে মজার ব্যাপার হচ্ছে যে কুনাল জি আমাদের সবার জন্য একটা করে স্যাম্পল নিয়ে এসেছে। So রাডা the mic is yours, the stage is yours.
Hello everyone. The name of the company is Lessonwala, and we have been in this space for the last 6 years. This 4th of September will be completed our 6 years. So now we have been catering to B2B clients. Most of the famous restaurants that we visit are our customers, and this we have decided that we will be coming into B2C, and for that this is a place where so many people from various backgrounds, various industries, various households, different types of people, their different food habits are there. So we decided to introduce this to you all, so that you can take a packet each and use it at your homes. Take the feedback from your home, and we will be wanting to collect that feedback so that we can improve on our packaging. This is the initial giveaway packet to all of you, so that you people can use it. But we will be working on the packaging, and we will be working on the pricing. We will be working on the quantity required in a week. For that, we are wanting to all of you to use these packets, so that our taste, how is the taste of our product, and how convenient it is for the households to use. Generally what happens, everyone uses garlic. Those who are vegetarian probably they also use it, maybe sometimes. So we want this convenience to reach to you. We have our own delivery network throughout Calcutta, and the delivery is absolutely free. You can replenish it whenever your pack is finished, and we won't charge for delivery. The packets are of 250 grams, 500 grams, and of course for B2B it may be for 1 kg or 2 kgs or so. Your feedback is important. Just use our garlic and let us please suggest us how we can improve and what changes we can bring. Normal refrigerator, it will last for about 30 days. There is no preservative, there is no chemical. It is purely hand treated, and it is filled by women in rural areas, and they do it at their homes. That's how we can also generate some employment for them. So it is absolutely ready to use and totally hygienic, without any compromise on adding water to it. If you add water to it, the shelf life will reduce. And you know, if it has got skin, the water may enter that garlic skin and it may generate a bad smell. So you can just keep it in your fridge, stand up pouch, and whenever you need, open this and use it.
If we it is said that if we peel the garlic and keep it in the fridge also, it is not good for our health. Something happens. I don't know what. So
Yeah,
what is the अब मैं घर में गार्लिक पील के उसको रखी हूँ, खराब हो जाता है. Yeah. So आपका गार्लिक क्यों खराब नहीं होगा? What is this?
गार्लिक जनरली जो खराब होता है वो क्यों होता है? आप if you just see garlic paste or ginger garlic paste, generally इसमें vinegar होता है. Yeah, it's a preservative, and you know that transforms the garlic into a kind of a pickle. आप pickle में भी देखोगे, आप खुला छोड़ दोगे.
Something because garlic, if you keep peel garlic in fridge, there is some too scientific होता है, called spoil or it is not good for our health. So why?
We have been doing it for 6-7 years now, and nothing has happened. We have not.
I think one of the happiest
Or without fridge, if we keep,
If you without fridge for 4-5 days.
what is your turnaround time from the peel? वहाँ पे peel हुआ है, उसके बाद यहाँ आ रहा है. वो turnaround time क्या है?
We peel every single day. We peel, and through experience, we have learned that कितना peeling करना है.
You have small packets, ये 250 gram for a single person. So if I need 100 grams.
Yes, that is what we are here for. We want your feedback कि 250 grams का पैक होना चाहिए या 100 grams का पैक होना चाहिए, जैसे भी आप want.
Aside from the family actually.
Yes. So we will want to have that feedback from you कि पैकेजिंग में क्या चेंज करना चाहिए, या फिर साइज ऑफ ये जो पैकेट है वो कितना होना चाहिए. अगर 100 grams है, if most of you say that 100 grams is the ideal weight for a family of 3, we will go for that. There will be 250 grams also, because you know you will have it in your fridge and you can use it for a week, and later you can
And you have not used any kind of chemical.
no chemicals.
But you are making it village में जो women हैं वो लोग बना रहे हैं. Now आप उससे ले रहे हैं तो what is the quality control point? मतलब
There are these people who are making it for us. वो जो broken garlic, पहले उसको हम लोग मशीन से break करते हैं bulk को. There is a automatic process also. And once the bulk are broken, then it reaches them. And they do it like they have been doing it for.
you are sorting at that level.
Yes,
or they
yes.
are only sorting.
No, we are sorting it. We are sorting it, and the separated cloves, which are unpeeled garlic, is given to them. And quantity wise, there is a particular idea that who has got how much and how much we will get, because there is a wastage also. Normally, the houses अगर आप peel करो तो 750 grams ही मिलेगा 1 किलो में.
What do you do with the waste? Like, अगर कोई bad parts and all, do you recycle or anything?
नहीं, there are customers for that as well.
You resell it to
जो people who are making achars or people who are making paste, we do not. So they buy it from us. In fact, the garlic का जो छिलका वो भी.
what she's trying to tell is you it gets oxidized. Open में ज़्यादा देर रहता है तो it should not get oxidized because they
Yeah, so once we refrigerate and keep it in a vacuum package.
So you're giving manufacturing date and
Yes, we will.
How much time you have?
We will for 15 days.
15 days. Manufacturing takes time.
Yes. We will have a batch number, code number, everything will be there. Here it is not there because the product has been printed. Here it is not there. That is what the feedback we will be seeking from everyone and how we can improve it. Anyone else who wants to ask?
নমস্কার, আপনাদের এই ভিডিওটি কেমন লাগলো অবশ্যই জানাবেন। অবশ্যই লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দেন এবং ফলো করে দেবেন, এবং নিজেদের যত ফ্রেন্ডস অ্যান্ড রিলেটিভস আছে তাদেরকে বলবেন, যারা ব্যবসা করতে চায় তাদেরকে অবশ্যই জানাবেন। কোনো ব্যবসার জন্য যেন আমরা আবার উদ্যোগী হই, ব্যবসা করি, সেটা সব থেকে বড় কথা। আমরা আছি ব্রিটিশটা। আজকের মতো চলি।